Okay, this is a demonstration of a display I was working on today for lighting, solar powered lighting. Of course it's light outside, I'm in a warehouse with no lights on, and we're going to be projecting light here. This is an arrangement, a display I just built today, having a couple of products. This is the lowest power product that I put together. And it is an LED light. It is not super bright, but very low power, very simple, fairly cost effective, very bright to look at. In a closed quarter, maybe one room, 10 by 10, probably sufficient. Definitely if we were camping or something else, it would be fine. Okay, we use that one. And then what we're going to do on the other ones, this one has its own integrated switch. Oh, it also does, because it came out of the marine industry, so it has an emergency function as well, which does some illumination fairly well, but that's an emergency light. And that's what I have there. Okay, and like I said, it has an integrated switch, so we turn that one off. And then what we do is this one has a push switch, because this is something I did not want to have on all the time. This is the next level that we have would be this light here. And as you can see, we're projecting quite a bit more light than we were with the other one. Price point being just a little bit higher. Power output being quite a bit more. Not quite a bit. I mean, in relation to what these are, the large light I showed before, which didn't light so much, was about 8 watts. This one is approximately 8 or 9 watts itself, and that's what we have with this one here. Okay, now here's the one that I found most recently, and this is this light. This is a true floodlight, very, very bright, as you can see. 12 watts, believe it or not. This is approximately 22, 23 feet away, in a completely unlit warehouse. A couple bicycles in the way. But as you can see, we have very bright light, very good projecting light, very white and clean. This is going to be probably the flagship, as I have been running one of these as a floodlight for about 4 months now, and it has had flawless operation. Very low power. Turn this one back on because this gives us a little bit of operating light. Something else, this is the patent that I've applied for, and this is true 100 CFM fan, and this is all running off of, as you can see, because this one, it is a motor, so it actually draws a little bit of current. That is about a 30 watt fan, and we've got a piggyback on a 6 volt battery, a 6 amp hour battery, 12 volt, which is run off of a solar module. Here's oh, you can't see it. Well, here's what we'll do, is we will go ahead and show you guys what we're all about here. Blinding anybody? Here's another attic fan right here. Balloon. Maybe see, maybe not see. This is direct off of a module. As you can see. Very good power on that. These are the patents that we're working on now. And this is what everything's being run off of right now. Battery systems run off of this module. And this fan here is being run off of this module. Water pumping deep well pumps, of course, PV systems, you know, we have that. But this is kind of the bread and butter. This is the display that we're working on here. And hopefully we have room for a little bit more, some advertising. Very nice pieces, they work very well. That's it.